What is up, everybody? It's Jesse and Andy. We're in South Carolina, Charleston area, Summerville specifically, and they're saying we're supposed to get snow. This is the first time since 2018. We'll see if we actually get it. It's supposed to start today around 5 o'clock, so we'll see. Enjoy the experience. We haven't seen snow since we left Colorado. We'll keep you posted. Stay safe, stay warm. We got a little lucky dog here. He's not too excited about this snow. Looks like it's supposed to start here soon. No snow yet. It is cold though. Frigid. Homemade French onion soup time. And homemade croutons. There it is. Homemade French onion soup, baby. Bring on the cold. Actually, no, I'm over it. Get the cold the heck out of here. Ready for the beach? Alright, let's see if it's coming down yet. I don't see any. Nothing out there yet. Looks like we're inside of a little bit of a opening in the storm. We'll see if the snow comes down. Alright, the app says it's snowing. It's raining or something. It's doing something. It's like kind of snow. It's like icing.
It's like those little balls.
It's cold as shit though. Ooh, white stuff out there.
There's white stuff?
Yep. There's snow out there. It's coming down. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. It's snowing in South Carolina. It's cold as you know what out there too. Dang. I thought we left this shit. Followed us. Thank God we don't get this very often, but it's snowing. That is wild. We'll see how much we get. It's starting to accumulate pretty good out there. Holy moly. We got snow. It's coming down more and more. It's actually sticking too. Wow. This is wild. This is so crazy, guys. We got snow. The kids are out still playing. This is awesome. Snow.
Why am I out here? What are you doing?
Wow. Snow. Wow. Snow and palm trees. This guy's gonna slide all over the place. Ooh, he's sliding.
The old boy has been out here for 45 seconds.
He thought we moved him into retirement to the palm trees and beach with no snow, but he's back in the snow.
You're back, Jack.
Sorry, buddy. Thankfully, it's only once every 20 years. So out here in these warmer states, we're not made for snow and ice and stuff. So we have water heaters that warm your water outdoors. They're insulated and everything, and they're made for a certain temperature, but sometimes you want to be cautious. So I covered all of our spigots right there, and then here's our water heater. It goes all the way up. That's the water lines going. So I put a little thermal tarp around it, keep it warm. And I have everything dripping inside too, just to make sure. So it should be solid. Good morning, world. Looks like we got snow. Time to go play. Cheers. There's a good 4 inches, 3 inches back here. Lucky's trying to navigate. He's not used to the snow anymore. Just out walking our neighborhood. Checking out all the snow. So it's funny, we're walking around our neighborhood, and being from Colorado, you have trucks and SUVs and different things, and they're all four-wheel drive to get through snow and mud and four-wheeling and stuff like that. Out here you have all these dudes with big trucks. They're all rear-wheel drive, and they just stop at the stop sign and just peel out for a half hour. Can't even move on a half an inch of snow. It's hilarious to see these giant pickup trucks, and they can't even move an inch. See how the pool looks here. Yeah, looks good. It's moving, so that's good. They heat it a little bit for the winter, I'm sure. The lake is not frozen over. Look at all this snow. This is awesome.
Are you having so much fun? Oh, yes.
Yeah. Doggo's out having fun. People, golf carts, kids. Fun snow day. What are you gonna do with that? Ice over there. It is absolutely gorgeous out. The sun popping. Feels amazing. Kids, parents, people everywhere. Just walking the neighborhood, sledding, snow angels, just having a great snow day. So cool. So here's our neighborhood sledding hill, but it goes into a lake.
Oh my gosh.
So there's a kid down there stopping everybody from going into the lake.
And they're on boogie boards.
They're on boogie boards. This is awesome.
It's kind of a good idea because you have the leash.
Mm-hmm.
You could just pull it back up.
So much fun. Look at it go. Yeah. Amazing.
I dare you to skate or fly!
That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. That's our snow day. So much fun. Kids sledding everywhere. Everybody just having a great snow day. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. We had a great time on this crazy random snow day. Thanks for watching. Take care, everybody. Peace.